G'day, I'm Ray here and this is a Yamaha Tenere 700 and today we're installing a luggage rack on this beast to show you how easy it is. Not just any luggage rack though. Today we're installing the Ventura Evo luggage rack. Incredibly versatile, nice low profile and Kiwi made, which is even better. Let's get into it.
The Evo kit consists of three main parts: the L brackets which mount to the bike, and the main rack itself. Some kits also utilise a cross member under the tail. On this bike we start by removing the 4 bolts holding on the number plate hanger and tail light assembly. All Ventura kits come with everything needed to complete the installation. This one uses 2 bolts on each side, as well as a series of washers and spacers. Once the L brackets are installed, you have 4 mounting locations for the Evo rack, depending on where you want the weight to sit on your bike. There are a range of different packs that work with the Evo system. The smallest being the Evo 12 Jetstream, middle size pack the Evo 22, the absolutely massive Evo 60, and there's also the Evo 40, which I've not pictured here. Ventura have been designing and manufacturing motorcycle luggage racks right here in New Zealand since the 70s, and because they've been around so long, there is an absolutely massive list of bikes they can fit a rack to.
So there you go, an incredibly easy to install, versatile and Kiwi made luggage rack. Talk to your local bike retailer for more information about Ventura luggage racks for your bike.